How to solve physics problem using Gauth. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily do it. First of all, open the application. So as you can see, I'm in my home page. Basically, this is the place where you can capture different photos. Now here, you must be in this physics section first. So swipe right and simply tap on physics. Now, in order to know or find out your answer, simply hold and tap onto the camera and simply place it to the question that you're looking for. So in my case, I'm doing it. So here, after you do this, simply tap and hold on to it and simply click the picture. So it will take some time. Now after this, you can easily crop the question out and simply tap on this tick button. So Gauth AI will automatically give all the answer to the questions. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.